solo parent and hardworking mom. Today's video dives deep into an eye-opening reality some foreign men face. It's not just about dating a single Filipina mom, it's about what it can do to your strength, independence, and even identity. This isn't for the soft-hearted. Let's get real. So you met a single Filipina mom. She's sweet, humble, loving. At first glance, it feels like a dream. But slowly, without you realizing, you began changing, giving in, compromising, and adjusting everything about your life. Let's unpack why you might become weak as a lamb if she becomes your woman. Many single Filipina moms are masters at presenting themselves as victims of heartbreak, abandonment, or misfortune. You feel the need to save her. You become emotionally responsible for her baggage. Before long, you're no longer leading, you're reacting to her needs. No matter what she says, the kids come first, and that's natural. But when your time, finances, and energy constantly serve her children, you'll begin to lose your sense of control. You can't discipline, but you're expected to provide. That imbalance weakens your position fast. It starts with snacks, school fees, and emergency medical needs. Then you're covering rent, phone bills, groceries, and more. You're not a man anymore. You're a wallet on standby. That dependency turns assistive men into soft, accommodating ones. She knows how to say just enough to make you feel bad for saying no. If you want a weekend alone, she'll drop lines like, I thought you loved me. Or if my child gets sick, I'll never forgive myself. It's manipulation wrapped in sweetness, and it works on weak men. Many foreign men stop talking to their friends when they're deep into these relationships. They stop seeking advice. They hide the money they're spending and they stop questioning what's fair. Isolation leads to blind obedience and the lion turns into a lamb. Once you grow attached to the child, you're trapped emotionally. Even if she treats you coldly, uses you, or cheats, you'll stay. For the kid, that emotional bond weakens your ability to walk away when it's time. She lets you feel like the man. She flatters you. She's soft spoken. But behind the scenes, she's managing everything your mood, your money, your guilt, your presence. By the time you realize it, you're doing everything her way. This isn't a job at all. Single moms, they're strong women with real struggles. But if you enter blindly, thinking you're in control, you might end up soft, submissive, and stripped of your identity. Be aware, be strong, and above all, don't be a lamb in a lion's game. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you've seen this dynamic happen or experienced it yourself. The truth is out there. Don't be afraid to speak it. Thank you for subscribing and donating to my channel. We are family. See you next episode.